Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that month again, and I got my BoxyCharm box. So excited to do this unboxing and see what I got and get to play with my stuff. So let's open it. Ooh. So if any of you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription for $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products, and each month is different, and it's so exciting, and it's a way to like up your collection, or if you're a beginner, it's great to like get you to try new things that you've never tried. And it's all like luxury brands. It's so amazing for $21 a month. You usually get over a value of like over $100. So I'm going to look in my box, and the first thing I see that I want to try is this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. My skin could use some rejuvenation and glow. This goes for $42. Crazy. Ooh, it has a nice little tip, like my favorite primer I have. Ooh, I'm excited. I just read something as I was looking at the paper. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates. That's interesting. It instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin. It's like pink. And it smells like floral. Instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin and type you have. The lightweight, powerful, it smells so like floral. It's so pretty. And it feels cooling. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin to help restore. I love a good primer. This lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin, helps to restore skin's moisture barrier, which I need, while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. So let's see how this makes my foundation look. I'm going to put my foundation on, and I will be right back. Okay, guys. I am digging this primer. And the floral scent like stays with you. It's on my Morphe Beauty Sponge. So the next thing I see in this box is the Becca Hydrating Mist Refresh Powder. I'm going to open her up. It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel, which I am all about that. And this powder is $39 by Becca Cosmetics. So I'm going to take my Morphe sponge. Ooh, it's got like a mesh. That's different. It's got a mesh like sifter. That's different. Okay, so I got some on my... It just smells like the Wander. I'm gonna put some on. Ooh, that's like a perfect match. Ooh, I can feel the refresh. Feels like I'm spraying my setting spray on my face. Okay, before I keep going into the box, I'm going to use one of my other Boxy products that I use every single day, every time I do makeup, because I don't do makeup, I do it almost every single day, but my Cardius Pro Glow. I'm going to do that, and then I will be right back. I am really digging the hydrating powder. Like, I love the hydrating powder by Becca. That's amazing. So that's $39. So what else is in the box that I'm going to try? I think I'm going to try the Steve Laurent lip liner. Reshape, resize, and define your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof and no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. And that is $15. No transfer. So I'm going to put on a liquid lip paint by Mellow. So lip liner is to just line your lips and then put whatever liquid lipstick you have or any lipstick that you have, and then if your lipstick doesn't last, then the lip liner is on afterwards and it lasts. That's cool. That was $15. But I mean, if you think about it, the Becca was $39, the Wander was $42. Like, winning over the $21. So then next in the box are these cute little eyeshadows, is what they look like, by Ace Beauty. And these little guys are $25. High pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, especially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. Those little hearts. There's like little hearts. That's cute. So this is Iced Latte. Ooh, it feels... Oh. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. And this one is Cotton Candy. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at those. There's like gold reflex in it. You guys, that is so cute. Ace Beauty. These are $25. So I'm going to go into the Cotton Candy with my flat brush first. Ooh, it goes on nicely with a brush. And then I'm going to take Iced Latte. No, I don't. And just put it on the other side of my lid. Very foiled. It's really pretty. Okay, so the last item in the box I'm so excited for. I love Tarte. This is their Big Ego mascara. I'm excited to try this. This goes for $23. It's not bad for a mascara. If it's good. An ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers. Ooh, it's pink. It's pink. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. This lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And let's see what this does. Let's see how. There's one little swipe. This mascara might not be doing it for me, guys, but I mean, that's one flap out of the box. Out of like, this is really beautiful. Like, the lip liner, it's nice. It's whatever to me. But the Wander Glow Illuminating Oil, that was amazing for $42. The Becca Hydrating Mist was gorgeous. And the Ace Beauty Glimmer Eyeshadow, duo, I like that. Like, that's really pretty. So to have one flap and whatever, that's okay, because that's like well over the box. I wanted to like it. I'm gonna keep trying it. And also, like, if you wear falsies, like, if you need just one swipe to make your lashes black, that's fine. There's no saving my lashes from this. Oh my gosh. That's the thing about this box. Like, sometimes you'll get, like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Sometimes you'll get one, sometimes two things you don't like. But the things that you love outweigh it. Like my eyebrow stuff, I use every single day. I've had that since my last Luxe. So that was 3 months ago. And my next Luxe is in September. So, and I'm still using it. And it's amazing. And the Tarteist Pro Glow palette, I use every single day. I love it. Is not giving me the same effect. No, is it? But I love BoxyCharm. $21 a month. You can't go wrong. I get to try all these beautiful products. Some things you're going to like. Some things you're not going to like. But also, you guys, upcoming, I've never tried Juvia's Place. I am going to be doing a video on that. My stuff should be coming in soon, like a big haul on that. So I'm going to do a try on and seeing how their foundation is and their concealer and powder and their eyeshadows. Ooh, and a highlighter as well. So I hope you guys liked this unboxing today. I love BoxyCharm. I'm not going to leave them. Like I said, sometimes you're not going to get something that you don't really like that you thought was going to be so good. It even says Confidence Booster Brush. Okay. If you guys are interested in your own BoxyCharm box, go to BoxyCharm.com. I will put a link down below. If you guys like these videos or like my other videos, go ahead and like them. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you guys have any comments for me, comment down below. Like, comment about if you like this mascara. Maybe it's worked well for you. So comment down below what you guys think of the mascara. Am I being too harsh? Or I love you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.